This is a chick. Chick. This is what the chick looks like. This is what a hen looks like. This is what a rooster looks like. This is a family of chickens. Here is a chick that has just hatched from an egg. Now the chick is very small and defenseless. While the chicks are small, the mother hen is always with them. The mother hen builds a cozy straw nest where they all live together. When the chicks are 3 days old, they leave the mother's nest. Chicks eat cereals and drink clean water. When the mother hen is not around, the chicks huddle together to keep warm. Little chicks, like all children, are very playful. If you hang a swing for them, they will be happy to ride on them. When the chicks grow up a little, the mother hen takes them out to graze on the grass. She teaches them to extract bugs and worms from the ground. Watch out, it's a cat. It looks like the cat wants to grab the chick. But the mother hen is always on the alert. She is always ready to chase the cat away and protect her children. Not all cats hunt chicks. Sometimes kittens and chicks can make friends. The chicks are growing very fast. Soon they will be able to live on their own, without a mother hen. Now it becomes clear which of the chicks are hens and which are roosters. They walk around the yard. They peck at grain, drink water, cackle and lay eggs. At night, hens enter the chicken coop. There they sleep on perches. Hens huddle together to keep warm. In the same place, in the coop, the hens incubate eggs, from which little chicks will then hatch. When the chicks grow up, they will also become adult hens and roosters. The rooster always lives with the hens. One, sometimes more. A rooster is easy to distinguish from the hen. Its feathers are very bright and colorful. On the head is a large comb and a large beard. In the morning, the rooster takes the hens out of the coop and begins to crow. This is how he meets the new day. The rooster is the most important among chickens. He always keeps order and protects his hens and chicks. Now let's listen to a fun song and watch the chickens. jungle. Looks like someone is hiding in the bushes. Let's watch. Who do you see here? Elephant. Who else is hiding in the bushes? Monkey. Who else is here? Zebra. Let's find more animals. Sloth. Who do you see here? Leopard. Who else is hiding in the bushes? Lion. Who do you see here? Parrot. elephant, monkey, zebra, leopard, sloth, parrot, lion, clownfish, clownfish, seahorse, seahorse, crab, crab, shark, shark, jellyfish, jellyfish, dolphin, dolphin, octopus, octopus, shrimp, shrimp, starfish, Squid. Squid.